So I have 3 to the power of 5x plus 8 equals 27 to the power of x. I'm solving for the exponent. What's the first thing I want to do?
Make the base similar.
Make the bases the same. So my base here is 3. I can't change that. I have to change that to 3 to the power of what gives me 27?
3.
Okay, eyes on me, because this question is similar to the ones on the test and stuff, right? So this is going to be 3 to the power of 3 to the power of x.
Yeah, I think
So, don't forget about that x.
Oh my god, I did something wrong.
You did.
Yeah.
And that's why I don't want you to. Now, I have power to the power,
3x.
so I have to multiply. Power to the power, you multiply. So that's 3, 5 plus 8 equals 3, 3x.
Now 5x plus 8
Okay. So, I have the same base. So what do I have to do now?
equals 5x plus 8.
So my exponents are equal to
5x plus 8.
each other. Right? I can drop the base, make my exponents equal. Remember this, drop the base. Okay. Now, common terms, right? Like terms to the same side. It's easy for you guys. You know this, right? I don't have to remind you of this. 2x equals negative 8. And then divide by 2. So x equals negative 4. If you want to check your work and make sure that your answer is correct, what do you do? Okay, so plug in negative 4 here, plug in negative 4 here, and make sure that the left side is equal to the right side. H is a little bit harder. So, are you ready for H? You think you have an idea? Before I hear your thoughts. Anyone else have an idea?
I really do.
What do you think?
Okay, to make the base equal, you have to break down the 4 into 2 and the 8 into 3 over
2 to the power of 3.
Yeah.
So that means I have to change both bases?
Yeah.
Both bases. Right. Some cases, we have to change both bases. Because there's nothing, 4 to the power of nothing gives me 8, right? So I can't have 4 as my base. So in this case, I must change both bases. So that's going to be 2 to the power of 2. Now don't forget this. And then this is 2 to the power of 3. And then to the power of 3x minus 2. Multiply the exponents. So what do I get?
4x minus 16.
Okay, so let's write it step by step so we don't skip steps. Okay, so I'm multiplying the 2 by the 2, so that gives me 4. And then for this one, I'm just going to put the 3 right here. Are we okay with this so far? Okay, so what I did is I made sure that I multiplied this by this, and I put that 3 in front of the 3x minus 2. Now I just distributed the 4 in, and I distributed the 3 in, right? So now it's I can drop the bases and make my, I could have done it earlier, but, okay. Make my exponents equal. I'm going to bring the, doesn't matter. Bring the 9x over. Bring the 16 over. X equals -2.
Wow.
What? Too many steps?